nitong lalaki nitong system.
Oo.
Si Goma din, hindi naman kaliitan tao. Pagtalunan, nice rejection, double block is there. Here we go, recycling, and down on the floor goes the new libero. We'll check on the name and his figure, and we have some new players. Dipante got that. The new libero for Sistema is Banyaga. That's Anjo Banyaga.
Ni-expose na rin siguro siya.
Might as well get everybody some playing time here today.
Oo naman.
On demand. Bihis din yun eh. Sometimes coaches think in that manner. You have additional numbers there?
Yeah, we have here in the receiving skill, we have the libero who with a 45% success. We have Rojas with 100% success. And on the side of RT, we have Viking, their libero, 27%, and Abdul with 40%.
In the meantime, that is neatly done. Arbastro, na-notice ko, both liberos are being used now by Sistema. Pwede yan eh. As
Pwede.
long as the libero, you can use two, as long as you assign them before the game starts. Iba yung uniforme nila eh.
Oo. Dapat identified sila talaga.
And when does the libero come in? The ideal situation? Pag yung middle blocker napunta sa back?
Not necessarily. Sometimes it's the outside hitter that the libero will replace. Kasi kung sino yung mahina sa receive, yun ang papalitan ng libero. Kasi receiving specialist siya eh.
Aha. In the meantime, there was a momentary lull as everybody thought there was a net violation. The refs allowed the players to play on and we're tied at 2 apiece. May lumambitin sa net eh. It was incidental actually. Shakey's. If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Speaking of yung lambitin sa net, pwede naman lumambitin eh, so long as you don't touch the tape.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo.
Ganun ba yun?
And of course, kunyari, pumapalo yung kasamahan mo, hinugot mo yung ilalim ng net.
Kalokohan
Impeding
yun.
play naman yun.
Kalokohan yun.
Gulang na. Oy, but it happens, ha?
Ganun ba yun? Ganun ba yun?
Oo, nakakatuwa. Lalo ng mga season players.
Sige, palo mo.
Diba? Ibababa ko, para lumusot yung palo.
Makikiraambo. 3-2 ang bilang natin. Maki Puela with us and we're enjoying the lessons really. He's now connecting.
Yes.
Espiritu finally found his rhythm after some frustrating moments in that first set. Watch this. And what is he doing more properly now, Mac?
Yung timing niya, plus the extension of his arm. Todo stretch siya. Kaya maganda clearance niya.
Saka may follow through na ngayon.
Yes.
Kanina kasi pigil, tapos inaatras na kaagad. Ang official outfitter ng Shakey's V-League ay Axel.
Ito si Arbasto, that's the second time he did that. He should really adjust his body.
And he should really adjust that headband siguro. Diba?
Baka ano ayun, saliwa.
Apektuhan siya sa liwa. Pero yung katawan, mine is a joke. Mac's analysis is spot on. Kasi, di ba, your body position affects, regardless of sport, whether baseball, golf, even basketball, yung position ng body mo is critical.
Oh, it makes the game easier if your body is well positioned.
The serve in play looked long but playable. Hinulog! Nagkagulo sa
That's
kabila.
using your head.
And Espiritu, it's now 5-4 as RTU is still slightly in the lead. First set going the way of Sistema.
Speaking of Espiritu, on Sistema side, he has 6 attack points, 1 block, and 7,
As you sort that out, we have...
total points yun.
Total points.
Total points created.
Okay, Rojas skidding onto the floor and it's 6-4 here in the second set. Don't forget, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger katolang gamitin, gawang Pilipino. Proudly. In the meantime, naku, malamya naman ata nung serve. Na yun tingnan mo yung tingin ni Sebastian sa bench. Yung bench ayaw tumingin sa kanya.
He has yet to create a service point kasi 0 siya dito ngayon, si Sebastian.
Alam mo yung ang lagi ko sabi ko dyan sa service error, dumating yung kamag-anak na ayaw mong dumating. Huli si pagtalunan. Naglululundag. Kasi mali ang timing.
Mali ang timing. Nanggigil siya eh. Maganda sana yung niya yung intention. Wrong execution.
Tumama sa net. Kulang, kapos, mukhang sa ilalim ng bola kinuha. Samantala, Rojas, tinaas, mukhang regalo. Nako, ginawa kombinasyon!
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach George, yung mga fast play na ganun, hindi pa nakakaporma ang kalaban, tapos na. Tapos na yung boxing. Tingnan mo.
Ito, like in
Ayan,
this
oh.
situation. But, walang
This
block
dude didn't even jump. Isa lang single block lang. So perfect
observed.
yun.
Tama, no? Yun mismo ang gusto ni George Pascua mangyari. 7-6 ang ating score. Lamang ang Rizal Technological University. The Blue Thunder lost the first set. 8 seconds to serve. Spirito. We go to the other side. Depante. Nice coverage by Hu underneath. From the middle with Rojas. Easily handled by Laha. Pang! That's a double block. And out of reach, we're tied at 7.
Bantay na bantay kay Masahod.
Oo, no, walang mapuntahan eh. Saan ka kaya pupunta, Mama? Tingnan nyo. Ito.
Ayan o, basang-basa ng dalawa oh. Samantalang bakante yung open, yung outside hitter niya.
Or hinulugan niya. Kaso,
Nakahiga na siya eh.
Nakahiga na eh.
Oo, sobra sa kaliwa yung set.
Oh, yan ang puto. Tinaas. Oh, Mugumante. Let's give credit where credit is due. That is Roland Tongkit.
Earlier during the huddle, Coach George continues to motivate his players by not mentioning their errors but instead giving them instructions on how to be more effective. He then added, maingay dapat tayo sa loob and trust your instincts. Give your best and dapat maganda yung receive natin. While on Team Sistemas, head coach reminded his players na umpisahan natin tong set na to with the same intensity and enjoy lang tayo. That is all. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Julian. Good report. Oh, ito, bakit kuminsan nag-freeze sa mga teams sa court? Hindi nag-uusap. What's happening? Is it panic setting in?
Sometimes when things don't go their way, psychological yan eh. So, volleyball is a psychological sport.
Oh, very much so, yes.
Oo, so if they feel they're losing control of the game, things don't go the way they practiced and expected it. Minsan umiibang galaw ng mga players eh.
Like in this case, I'm sure RT wasn't ready for the overwhelming power which Sistema is beginning to unleash here. They're ahead 10-7 and the confidence of Sistema is growing with every passing. Look at that combination. May mga jet yata sa paa itong mga ito, no?
Iniwang bakante yung outside hitter nila si Depante. Ang tumapat si Pagtalunan ng set. Kasi ang galing ng hugot ni Arbasto,
Yes.
yung quicker.
Nice drop. And number 14, that's Sahud Masahud. It's just a picture of efficiency. 8-10 is the count here. Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League. And here comes the serve. It is outside the serve of Sabtal Abdul.
Sayang, no?
Yeah.
Nagpapakanda hirap ka sa floor defense and when you get the ball and the serve, you throw it away.
Am I correct in saying the boys tend to gamble more on their serve? Or
Well,
is it just natural? Ang daming error talaga ng serve eh.
Oo. Kasi ang daming tapon nila sa service ngayon eh. Actually, malakas ang kanilang serve except that tapon nga because of the miscalculations, I guess,
Okay.
on their part.
Anjo Banyaga, the alternate libero, unable to handle that hot volleyball. Here's who? Here's Arbasto. It's long. Ito nanggigigil din ito eh.
Oo. Sabi niya, hindi sumabay siya eh. Umikot yung katawan niya, hindi sumabay yung bola.
You know, when you don't have any power over the block, sometimes you're blaming a lot of things.
Oh, yeah.
Spirito adjusting in the air. Went lefty. Reverse. Nice joust. They give it, however, as there's a violation of the
Yeah,
net.
Depante, he touched the tape. Sinakyan niya yung bola.
Actually, inakap sa air eh.
Inakap niya yung bola.
Tabla sa 11. Umaatikabong. Volleyball action dito sa Shakey's V-League. Pagtalunan, men's tournament. First time we're doing this in our 11-year history. Pagtalunan. Tinalo. Tinas ni Hu. Free ball. Oh my
There you
goodness.
go. Masahod connects. Finally.
That's a great confidence booster because it's all power. Watch this. As we show this to you, Mark, what happened there?
Perfect timing. Single block na naman ang tumapat. So, iniwasan lang niya yung blocker. Pero, iisa lang ang tumalon. And for someone like Masahod who jumps so high,
Kanina, dalawa yung bumabantay.
Oo.
Sabi mo, parang that has to be a constant against RTU. 12-11 count, pagtalunan. That is still in play, Arbasto. It becomes a spike. Who keeps it airborne? Depante into the back row. Itinaas. Nicely done. But it is out.
That went off the net. Manggigil to si Sebastian.
It was too tempting eh. Wala na, third ball na, hinataw na niya talaga eh. But it really takes a long time for the guys to, tama na yan, okay tayo ha. Yung mga sa women's game makikita mo, kalimutan na, 1 point mo.
Next play.
Next play na. Bay King keeping it in the air. Lahas, strike. Rojas, labas.
Too wide.
Too much mustard on the hot dog. 13-12 is the count here.
Can you imagine being on the receiving end of the attacks of these men?
Nung bata tayo, ikaw kaya mo yan.
Nung bata tayo.
Pero alam ko, dahil ikaw ensayado ka, kaya pa rin. Pero ang lakas ng hataw, ano?
Pag lalaki, iba talaga.
In the meantime, 14-12, ang sistema, ang game, and Roger Guerrero
Patiently.
delivers a dissertation. Nes Familiar, same thing. In the meantime, back to this game. Tinusok ni Arbasto. And the setter, number 10, doing a fine job. This is Alfrazin Abdul Wahad. They're trying to empty their bench. More and more players getting into the fold of the game. It is 13-14 as we're going to have Christian Arbastro serving. Sinigurado. Porsyento tayo. Double block. Sarado ang pinto. Si Tonkin, the little that he has played has been a contributor defensively.
Yes, but even in his college days as a player for FEU, he was very good at the net.
Kita mo kanina siya yung nakaputo. Siya yung nagtaas. Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery. Pang matagalan. Bastro and his serve. Alam mo, hindi pa ako nakakita sa men's game natin na 5 o mahigit na serve.
Na successful.
No?
Oo. Parang 1 good, 1 tapon. Or 2 good, 1 tapon.
1 potato, 2 potato. Diba? 15-14. The set to the other side. Well done by the setter.
Espiritu.
Ang ganda ng basa niya because nakita niya dito, walang tao, doon walang tao. Lipat ko nga sa kabila.
Sabi nga daw mga setter, dapat may mata sa likod.
Oo. Sa tabi. Kung saan man pwede lagyan ng mata. Hulog. Buhay pa. Buhay pa po. Energy. Uy, mintis. Tinaas. Rojas. Hulog.
Well read by Sebastian. Double block. Score pala yun. Akala ko yung edad niya.
21 siya.
21, sorry.
We were all 16 once.
She looks 16.
We were all 16 once. Playing this game already. Rojas! Martillo Boy! Double block! Tina si Tongkin. Martillo!
Ang galing naman itong batang umiiwas ng double block.
Complete trust sa power niya eh.
Oo.
Pok-pok! Panoorin po uli.
Ayan o. Nasa cross court ang double block niya. So he went down the line.
Yun yung classic decision sa utak, decision ng katawan. Lihis mo ng content, mag-down the line ka.
In mid-air, ha?
In all that fraction of a second
That's right.
that you are on the way down.
That's right.
Lakas naman.
Yun ang sayang. Ang ganda ng palo niya previously tapos tinapon niya
Yun
yung serve.
eh.
Di +1, -1. Ano yun?
Well, I guess the guys are not gonna play porsyento volleyball as far as the serve is concerned. I mean, this is their game. They're gonna attack.
Well.
17-16. Who? And Tonkin says, sir, I can also spike. Hindi lang
Bigyan
po.
mo naman. Kuy ka ra, kuy.
Hindi lang po ako depensa. I can spike.
Well executed by Tonkin there.
Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Abdul Wahab has now been the setter instead of Macalma for the Sistema side. Here's Pagtalunan, who's been there forever. This is on target. Masahod has been the shining light for this RTU team. Laha has been too quiet today.
That's right.
Si Laha ang nag-unload ng napakarami
the
puntos
previous game,
against
grabe yun.
IEM.
Oo.
Yung Jeffrey Jimenez nagwawala nun, pero wala, na-counter ni Laha. Ito,
Laha.
longest rally of the set of the match. And nice brush by Masahod. Alam mo, matitisod na rin ang Masahod lang sasabihin ko rito. Pero, diba? Pero he's just so good. 19-17, watch this. May load up no, sa ere.
Oo.
Hindi palayo ang load up niya, close to his neck actually.
At saka yung double block, may butas sa gitna. Doon niya dinaan.
Hindi sarado.
Oo, hindi solid.
Depante rejected. And it is 2017. Top after Smashers behind by 3. They took the first set though. Reached by Espiritu. Depante fires. No problem. Alanganin! Ginawa ng paraan ni Hu. Hello! Aray ko po!
Katulong ang net. Wala tayong magagawa dyan.
Wala na. Life is so unfair sometimes. But watch this.
Sobra sa kaliwa ang set.
Nakakuha ni... Ang
Nadukot
ganda
pa
nung
rin.
pick-up ni Hu eh.
Yun lang. Mahirap sadyain yun.
Halika, sabi ni Abdul Wahab. Sama ka net. 2-point lead by RTU. Pagtalunan with that familiar fake
you
of
go.
his. Oh boy, did you see the set? Konting nuance nung pad. It created the fake eh.
Nahugot din niya eh.
I hope we can see that last play. Here we go. You know. Bang!
Perfect timing. Sarap ng feeling ng setter.
Actually, patong na patong yun eh. Malutong. 21-18. Free ball. Chance for RTU. Lagotok ni Masahol. He's unstoppable at this point. Macalma will return to pull out Abdul Wahab. 22-18. Macalma is the starting setter. In case you joined us just now here on GMA News TV, you're watching the Shakey's V-League. Reverse set. Depante. In the air we go. Laha. Wow! What happened there? Second ball. Where was
Nobody.
naharang yung setter? Hindi nakatakbo si Pagtalunan. Watch. Pang,
Where are you?
tumaas.
Dito siya eh.
Pang na block. Tumaas. Pak,
Wala, they built a campfire.
Oo, umatras. Oo nga.
Nagkahiyaan.
Anyway, it happens. 22-19. Baking. Long.
Outside.
Agigil.
Agigil. Dahan-dahan lang.
Kulang sa pitik eh. Sahod,
Oo.
masahod. Who normally... Look, masahod ka rin Pagtalunan. Balik mo sa akin.
Bawiin ko.
Balik mo sa akin. 22-20. First set going the way of Sistema. Mabawi in a way. It's 23-20. But I'm sure Masahol wants it the other way. But he goes to the back row now.
Doon siya babawi sa serve. Sana.
Eh, so far, alam mo naman ng porsyento ng serve so far. 3-point lead. Macalma. Tusok yan!
Ganon. Hindi nahuli ng blocker.
Espiritu punctured that side very clearly. And Goma is going to be back in the game. He'll pull out Arbastro. Arbastro getting a breather here.
Now he plays the middle. Before he used to play outside hitter.
Oo. Yan yung porsyento na serve eh. Diba, easy ang serve ni Richard eh.
Pero sigurado.
Hindi niya igagambol. Tingnan natin kung may tatawid ni Goma ito. Naurot.
Naunahan mo eh.
Tinamaan niya sa wrist eh. Hindi yung pitik nung fingers and palm eh. It is set point. 24-21. Laha. Aha.
He stepped on the line.
Stepping.
Yan ang hirap sa jump serve. Kasi
Sige. 24-22. Delightful volleyball action for this afternoon for all of you. It's in the air. The firing results in the ball being picked up. Rojas rejected. Keeps it alive with one hand. And it becomes a free ball from Macalma. Here comes pagtalunan. Kombinasyon. Tinaas Banyaga. Rojas. Huli. Tinaas. Naging regalo.
quick movement from the RTU squad, and they get the second set at 25-22.
And itong RTU hindi sumusuko agad eh.
Oo.
Spirited maglaro ito. Buhay na buhay yung laro all of a sudden.